Hello everyone. In today's video, I am doing one case study based question, and this question is based on the chapter Coordinate Geometry of class 9th. So let's start doing the case study based question. Students of class 9th are on a visit of school hall where a professor explains the importance of education to the students. The teacher assigns them the activity to observe and take some pictures to analyze the seating arrangement between professor and students based on the coordinate geometry. So calculate the following as per the image and graph. So I will show you the graph. See, this is the graph of the question, and now I will read the question. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So the first question is, what are the coordinates of point F? So you can see here, this is F point. So the distance of this point from y-axis is this. How much? 4 units. Otherwise it is -4, but when you are talking about distance, it is 4 units, and this is. Now what is asked in the question? It is asked what are the coordinates of point F. So the coordinates of point F are -4, and the distance of this point from x-axis is 3 units. So you know that this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, the value of x is negative, x is less than 0, and y is greater than 0. So these are the coordinates of point F, that is -4, 3. So here only I am writing the answer of this question. -4, 3 are the coordinates of point F. Next is, find the perpendicular distance of the point E from y-axis. Means in the question it is asked to find the abscissa. So which is the point? E point. So let's see, where is the E point? This is. Now if I join this point this way, so the perpendicular distance of this point E from the y-axis, so how much it is? 10 units. And if in the question it is asked perpendicular distance from x-axis, so it will be 3 units. So right now the coordinates of E are what? 10, 3. So in the question it is asked find the perpendicular distance of point E from y-axis, means abscissa. So abscissa will be 10 units. Next question. What are the coordinates of point D or H, D and H? So you can see here, this is the D point, and D point lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, x is negative, less than 0, and y is also less than 0. So if we join this way, so the coordinates, the distance of this point from y-axis is -3, and from y-axis it is -3, and from x-axis it is -2. So -3, -2. The coordinates of point D are -3, -2. Now the coordinates of point H. So this is the point H. If you join it this way, so this is the perpendicular distance of the point H from y-axis, which is 8 units, and this is the perpendicular distance of this point H from x-axis, which is 5 units. So the coordinates will be 8, 5. So here I am writing H has coordinates 8, 5. And there is an OR part for this question. Find the area of the triangle DOG. So this is point D, this is O, and this is G. Now if I join this way, DO, and this is OG, and this way I am joining here. So area of triangle DOG, that is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. So 1 by 2 into, what is base here? This is base DG, and the height to be taken is, let this is point M, or any other point you can take, this is OM. So 1 by 2 into, we need to see what is DG here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units is DG. So 1 by 2 into 5 into OM. This is 1 and 1, 2. 2 units. So that will be written here. So 2 and 2 cancel out. 5 square units. So this case study based question is as per the latest scheme of CBSE. This question is for 1 mark. This question is for 1 mark. And this question is for 2 marks. And in a question of 2 marks, there is an OR part also. So you are advised to do only one part which is best known to you. दोनों पार्ट्स में से जो पार्ट आपको अच्छी तरह से आता है, आप उसी पार्ट को एग्जाम में करें. तो ये केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन 4 मार्क्स का आता है. सो केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन is scoring question. You must read the statement carefully and then see the questions and attempt accordingly. Hope you have understood this case study based question well. So I will be posting in future more questions which are case study as well as competency based questions. To get more such videos, I advise you to subscribe the channel so that whenever I post any new video, you may get a notification for the same. Thank you.